How's it going, everybody? My name is Brendan Lambert. I'm the owner of Green Tree Auto Styling in Escanaba. You might notice that there's something sitting behind me that you're not used to seeing in our facility. No, it's not a Tesla, it's not a Corvette, it's not even a vehicle meant for the road. Well, why the heck is it in our shop then? We're gonna discuss that today. Last month, our entire team went down to Kentucky for a training with our ceramic coating partner, IGL Coatings. This training wasn't for a new paint coating in the automotive sector. It wasn't for a paint correction class. No, this was a brand new product from IGL Coatings, specifically targeting a multi-trillion-dollar problem that you see in the industrial sector. This new product is called Aegis from IGL Coatings. It is an industrial anti-corrosion clear coat. This new product is designed to protect heavy equipment, bridges, pipelines, exposed metal, glass, concrete, basically anything in the industrial sector that's prone to corrosion. It's there to protect it for years to come. This Kubota that you see here is going to be our first in-house test mule. Like I said, our entire team went through the training and passed with flying colors. We're all certified installers of this new product from IGL Coatings, but this vehicle here is going to be our first in-house job, and we're very excited about it. It has not been protected as of making this video right now. It has just been cleaned and prepped for the coating. But we are about to be laying down some Aegis, and I'm gonna show you kind of the process of our team spraying this product and protecting this surface, so you can kind of see what goes into it. First, I'm gonna show you a little bit about the mixology that goes into creating this two-component anti-corrosion clear coat. Once I've showed you how we create the product, we're gonna roll some footage of our team laying it onto the surface and protecting it. Like I said, Aegis is a two-component system comprised of AE1, AE2, and then you also have your diluent, which is your reducer. How you mix this product is very important. We start by pouring AE1 through a filter and then pouring it into our mixing cup. AE1 is the main component of this product. Then we move on to adding AE2, which is the hardener. And depending on how you mix AE1 and AE2 will determine the hardness of the coating itself. After AE1 and AE2 have been mixed, we finish that off with our diluent, which is a proprietary mixture to reduce the viscosity and make it suitable for spraying. Then we carefully mix it all together, being careful not to introduce any bubbles or air pockets into the mixture. Then we throw it into our gun through another filter. This is a double filtration process to make sure everything is as filtered as possible. Alrighty, we have mixed our Aegis and prepped the Kubota. We are ready to start laying it down. Mask up. While we watch the team lay down Aegis onto this Kubota, let's talk about some of the advantages of EcoClear Aegis by IGL Coatings. Then we're gonna get into the nerdy stuff, the specifications and the ratings, all that good stuff. Some of the advantages of this product from IGL Coatings is that it's an environmentally friendly product, meaning it has high solids and low VOC. VOC is volatile organic compounds. This product is also safer for applicators like us because it's xylene-free and lead-free. It has great adhesion on a wide range of substrates such as bare steel, concrete, glass, painted surfaces, you name it, it can probably protect it. The fact that this product is completely transparent allows you to visually detect signs of creeping corrosion earlier. This product can be applied using a brush, spraying, or dipping, and it's a direct-to-metal system, meaning no primers necessary. Just like our ceramic coatings in the automotive industry, Aegis repels water and makes it much easier to clean. Now for the technical stuff. EcoClear Aegis is rated at a C5 level corrosion resistance, which means you can put it in the most corrosive environments and it will stand the test of time. In a standard salt spray test, IGL Coatings Aegis outperformed all of its competitors. The estimated corrosion resistance durability is 1,000 hours, or 5 years in a non-marine environment. IGL Coatings concluded their TUV test at 6,000 hours, which is equivalent to 30 years in a non-marine environment or 15 years in a marine or highly corrosive environment. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. We're truly excited to see where the industrial side of our business is going to take us. Until next time.